Over the last several days, I've been watching a neighbor's new driveway being installed. Look at all that old stuff they took out, all that old concrete. A lot of dirt they took out also. And this is the after. Look at these beautiful pavers. I think they did a great job. But it all started by taking out that concrete and preparing the ground. This is my favorite machine. I don't know what you call it, but it's like a big scooper. Well, it's a mini scooper. It's like a tank, a little mini tank. Let's take a look. The thing is so cute. I love it. I love watching the scooper, but I think they need a bigger wheelbarrow. These are the pavers. They were very heavy. I lifted one of them, barely. So again, the before and the after. Looks great. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.